రెస్పెక్టెడ్ చీఫ్ గెస్ట్ శ్రీ వెంకయ్య నాయుడు గారు, అలాగే బండారు దత్తాత్రేయ గారు, డాక్టర్ లక్ష్మణ్ గారు, నా మిత్రులు అన్న రామచంద్రరావు గారు. టుడే ఈజ్ నాట్ జస్ట్ ఏ ప్రోగ్రామ్, టుడే ఈజ్ స్మరన్, ఏ రిమెంబరెన్స్ వాట్ యు హావ్ సీన్ ది వీడియో. Today is a sankalpam, a resolve. Today is a sangamam, a confluence of ideas, ideals and inspiration. We have gathered here to commemorate the birth centenary of Bharat Ratna Shri Atal Vajpayee Ji, a statesman who showed the nation that politics can be principled, power can be human and leadership can be poetic. Atal Ji once wrote, "हार नहीं मानूंगा, रार नहीं तानूंगा, काल के कपाल पर लिखता मिटाता हूं." These are not just lines of poetry. They are a way of life. They are courage with conscience. Friends, let me say this clearly and from my heart. The dignitaries seated on the dais are not here for politics. They are here because they walked with Atalji. They worked alongside him. They learned leadership from him, and today they are carrying his values forward. Each one of them represents experience, memory, and moral authority. After my address, they will not just speak, they will share living story, their own journey with Atalji. Friends, when the COVID pandemic shook the world, it was awakened many of us. For me and my wife Bharati, and the movement became a turning point. We questioned ourselves, if not now, when? If not us, who? Why? Because we learned from pandemic that we should do service. So the question gave birth to Trinetra Foundation, not as an institution, but as a commitment to seva. From corona relief to free legal aid for the downtrodden, to counseling women affected by domestic violence, to tribal, scheduled caste and farmer empowerment through TSP and SSP programs. The agriculture director is here who helped us a lot. Every step of Trinetra has been guided by one belief: service without expectation, work without bias, dharma without display. Atalji expressed this spirit beautifully when he wrote, "मैं अपनी ही आग में जलता हूं, मगर रोशनी बांटता हूं." That is exactly the spirit of which Trinetra works: equity for all, not privilege for few, not charity with conditions, but dignity, opportunity and justice to everyone. And in the spirit, we live by the prayer, "Sarve bhavantu sukhinam, sarve santu niranam." Friends, education is not charity, it is nation building. That belief led us to contemplate the Nation Research Paper Presentation Competition under the theme Atal Drishti Viksit Bharat Ka Sankalp. What we have seen, the book was launched on the same, and as my friends was telling about, the 55 papers was taken and 12 papers was published as a book, and I am the chief editor for the same. We received 55 papers, and from these 15 scholars' work have taken shape, come to the research paper for a Scopus indexing. Scopus is the international journal, and as for my knowledge, sir, this is the first time on a politician getting a national research paper competition done by Trinetra Foundation, and which was published in Scopus journal, sir, international it is journal. This is our humble message to students and scholars. Research must not remain in libraries, it must serve society. And Atalji reminds us, ज्ञान के दीप जलाओ, अंधकार अपने आप मिट जाएगा. My dear students and young researchers, Atalji life teaches us that ideas outlive power, character outlive position, and values outlive victories. Read deeply, think independently, disagree respectfully, and above all, serve fearlessly. Friends, our next vision is Vidyadan, a national movement where one educated Indian sponsors one unprivileged child education, not as donors but as nation builders. Because of Atalji believe, राष्ट्र कोई भूमि का टुकड़ा नहीं, यह जीवित शक्ति है. I want to share a personal memory when I was young and when I attended first time Manya Bandara Dattarji ji's one program was held at Secunderabad Parliament Council where Atalji addressed. In that address he said, Congress ka note lo, BJP ko vote do. That is the moment I became admirer of his everything. It was not humor, it was a fearless honesty. From that day, I became his admirer. From that moment, public life became calling. Whenever I feel low, I listen to RSS Prardhana, Namaste Sada Vassale Matrubhume, and I return to Atalji's poems. They still give me strength. Friends, I stand here with gratitude to my wife Bharati, my strongest support in family life and foundation work, to our scholars, volunteers, jury members, and students, and to all leaders who have guided us with encouragement, not instructions. Before I conclude, I wish to say this is from my heart. Sir, if I take permission, Your Excellency, Shri Venkaiah Naidu have admired my speeches from many years. Your charity, your rhythmic, your rhyming style, and your simplicity inspire me deeply. Today, I share this idea with you, Field Destiny, and I took permission giving a small title to share. Can I say that? I have a wish to give one title to you. You are my rhyming hero. Finally, to the youth gathered here, I want to say in Telugu, Vidya lekapothe bhavishyattu ledu, విలువలు లేకపోతే దిశ లేదు, సేవ లేకపోతే జీవితం అర్థం లేదు. అటల్జీ మనకు చూపిన మార్గం భయంతో లేని ధైర్యం, అహంకారం లేని బలం, కవిత్వంతో కూడిన పాలన. మన మాటల్లో మాత్రమే కాదు, మన నిర్ణయాల్లో, మన ప్రవర్తనలో, మన దేశభక్తిలో అటల్జీని నిలుపుదాం. I often return to his words, sir. अंधेरे से लड़ना है तो दीप जलाना होगा. Let us all become those lamps. जय हिंद, जय भारत. अटल जी अमर रहे. अटल जी, धन्यवाद.